Could be better, actually. Welcome back to Pharaoh's Cave, where every week we master a new woodworking joint, one cut at a time. Last time we explored the Kigoroshi technique, a joint that relies on compressed fibers instead of glue. Simple, clean, with more force than it looks like. This week we're stepping into something more refined, the Koshikaki Ari Tsugi. It's a traditional Japanese joint used to extend beams end to end, but with interlocking geometry instead of nails or screws. Koshikaki means to sit down, Ari means end, referring to the dovetail shape, and Tsugi means simply joint. It's strong, elegant, and entirely mechanical. These joints show up in temple restorations, fine cabinetry, and any situation where strength meets tradition. Now stop talking, I get it right into it. I got all my tools right here, I got my wood is here, everything is ready to go. First time, actually second time, but you don't have to know that. So let's see how good we are doing this. I hope these are square, I didn't check. And if not, oh, they are not square, really. Okay, we need to get those square. I'm back. Perfect. This wood is spruce, and I chose spruce specifically because I got a lot of lumber right here, and it's a good wood to practice. It's not too hard, it's actually pretty soft, and it's cheap. So I'm not gonna waste my white oak with me pretending to know how to do joinery. Let's be humble and know where my limits are. So we figure out where the middle is with my special technique, like that. And then if you turn this one and you meet the middle, then you know you are in the middle. So we're gonna trace that back all the way to the sides. Here and here as well. Right? And because both have the same thickness, we're going to take the second one and do exactly the same thing because we need both at the same thickness. Right. All right. Let's do that real quick. And this side without screwing everything up. Okay. Great. So we have the middle. Now we want to translate some two halves. So one half with the dovetail and the other half with the lap. 2.5 centimeters. And trace that here. So we have half lap and same with this one. Pretty good, I guess, right? Okay, now the second half. Here and second one. Now we need this one, and we need to go from the center. You can see middle. Great. Now from the middle, we will get like here and here. I mean, we are going to remove that shoulder for sure. Here. And this one. This one. This is going to be removed first. And this one. This is what we are going to remove. So we're going to cut here and here. And then we are going to see how far we go. We're going to cut on the line because we are braced. A little bit lower. Okay, let's check if that's actually a good cut. If not, we might adjust a little bit. Here it's really good, but it's only here, which is a little bit annoying because you're gonna see this corner here. Here it's perfect. It's actually not bad. This is the first one. Great. This one needs to be removed. This time I'm cutting next to the line. Great. Start with the cut. A little bit. It helped. Here and yeah, that's it. Okay. Great. I'm not going up to the back line. Moment of truth. Let's go. I think it's not moving, it's not rocking, it's solid, it's really tough. It's not perfect. It's much better here. And I mean, not bad actually. For the first time. Pretty proud of myself. I'm doing that for the first time. But We're learning. It's a steep curve, I guess. Great. It's not great. It's okay. I mean, it's not terrible, but look at this cat here. Perfect. Yeah, yeah. You can fool somebody with that picture on this side, but you can't fool somebody here. Never mind. It serves the purpose. It's strong. Yeah. It um. All right, guys. This joint is one of the most satisfying if you get right, and if you pull it apart, it's locking. But to be honest, every mistake is a lesson, and I've made a lot of mistakes. The cuts are not perfect. Well, the purpose of this series isn't to get every joint as perfect at the first time, but we are getting better and better every week, and maybe at the end of this year, we can master a lot of joints. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. By the way, if you have any tips or tricks, write it down in the comments. And if you want to see me tackle a specific joint, don't hesitate, write down in the comments. I read every comment. I even comment on almost every comment. They're reasonable. And yeah, maybe I'll mention you with the suggestion of your joint. Now go get your chisels ready and your mallet at the right hand or left hand, whatever you prefer. And let's go into joinery. See you in the next time. Bye. Funny. That's really funny.